To initiate the Betterment withdrawal process, start by logging into your Betterment account. This will give you access to your portfolio and allow you to manage your investments. Once logged in, navigate to the summary page, where you can view your current balance and portfolio allocation. Next, click on the Withdraw tab, which is usually located at the top of the page or in the Account Settings section. This will take you to a new page where you can specify the amount you want to withdraw and the account you want to withdraw from. You can choose to withdraw from your individual account, IRA, or other types of accounts. Be aware that withdrawals from tax-advantaged accounts, such as IRAs, may be subject to taxes and penalties. So it is essential to review the tax implications before initiating a withdrawal. After selecting the account and specifying the withdrawal amount, you will be prompted to choose the withdrawal method. Betterment allows you to withdraw funds via electronic transfer to your linked bank account or by check. Electronic transfers are typically faster and more convenient, but you can opt for a check if you prefer. Before confirming the withdrawal, review the details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Check the withdrawal amount, account selection, and withdrawal method to avoid any mistakes. Also, be aware of any potential fees associated with the withdrawal, such as transfer fees or tax penalties. Once you have verified the details, confirm the withdrawal. Betterment will then process the withdrawal, and the funds will be transferred to your designated account. The processing time may vary depending on the withdrawal method and the time of day you initiate the withdrawal. It is essential to note that Betterment may require you to sell some of your investments to facilitate the withdrawal. This could result in tax implications, such as capital gains taxes. To minimize taxes, consider withdrawing from accounts with minimal tax implications or consulting with a tax professional. In conclusion, the Betterment withdrawal process is straightforward and can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and being aware of the potential tax implications and fees, you can efficiently withdraw funds from your Betterment account. Always review the details carefully before confirming a withdrawal, and consider consulting with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns about the withdrawal process.